So today we're doing another demo try-on review on another pair of lashes, and these are from Ardell, and these are the 3D Faux Mink lashes, multi-dimensional, lightweight, Invisiband. That's why I'm so excited for this. The difference with these is that they do not have a band. This thing is much easier to disguise. I've never tried something like this, and I'm gonna pop them on and show you what it looks like. What do we think? How do they feel? Are they easy to apply? Put the price right here. Alright, so let's take this out. This is the reason I have no eyeliner on, so we can really see how it looks. And yes, I already have mascara on. I always apply mascara before eyelashes. So taking it out of the packaging, this is what they look like, and it says it's the number 857 3D Faux Mink. There is no glue with this one. First thing, we have to touch them. Okay, as of now it feels really nice, not like plastic. I hate that plastic feeling. Nice. Now let's apply. I'm just measuring just to make sure I don't have to cut if it fits properly. Alright, so I just put some glue on. I'm using this dual lash glue. I'm gonna let it dry for about 30 seconds before we apply. Okay, so these are both lashes on. They are very nice, but I cannot say they are my favorite. It is an Invisiband, but I do feel like if you close your eyes, you would still be able to tell. You would still put like an eyeliner or something. I do feel very comfortable. They are very nice and long. This is how it looks like from the sides. I do believe that I would have to trim them a little. Did have a little bit of a hard time applying them too, but that is just me. I do feel very comfortable, but I am still obsessed with the ones from like Eyelure that I reviewed. Obsessed. Don't forget to check out the playlist that I have of all the lashes that I have reviewed and tried on. Please subscribe, click the little notification bell, that way you will be the first to get notified every time I post a new video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!